Let's see what's going on. I heard complaints on like Google or Yelp or one of those places that there's tweakers around here. But so let's see how much action there is. This is it, Rodeo 39. There it is, the sign. It's just a big open cafeteria style restaurant. Ooh, what's that? Honk, honk, honk. Ooh, I can see some minor activity right here. Hey, check this out. Yeah, see, there's folks chilling in that field. And there's where all the police activity was a few videos ago. The entrance to the freeway. Ooh, check this out. It's a good shot. California 22 East. Here's where the activity starts.
Wait, wait.
Okay. Oh, look at that. Bit of a traffic jam. Here it is. The infamous Walmart. Alright folks, I'm here at the Walmart where they did a news story about 6 years ago that basically a bunch of tweakers were setting up camp in here. That was 6 years ago. So let's see how much it changed since then. They got what looks like a security guard chilling. Yeah, so far I think they cracked down on it. So I'll just do the rounds, see what's going on. And this place will either be tweaker confirmed or tweaker cleared. Watch till the ending to find out the exciting conclusion, the exciting results. Ah, Costco. Ooh, I should buy 20 pallets of something. Here it is. Stop mileage tax, sign here. And here's the entrance of Walmart. They got the petitioners. Doesn't seem to be any tweaker action. Whoa, they even got a food truck. Maybe that's to offset the departure of McDonald's. It's the petitioner and the worker. A typical day at Walmart. Of course, wearing a mask well into 2026. I too have a fabric mask in my back pocket. But it muffles my voice so much I don't put it on. See, as long as the camera's on your chest, nobody's gonna say nothing about it. Or at least very few people. If I had the whole First Amendment auditor setup going, somebody would probably say something about it. See? They're just staring at me curiously because I'm talking to myself. And this is a regular Walmart. It's not a neighborhood market or anything like that. Okay, I heard there should be some action around the Carl's Jr. No need for cart narcs here. Oh wait, I spoke too soon. Look at this. Oh, look how close this gray car had to park next to this cart. Anarchy in the USA. It is Carl's Jr. Just like on Google Images. They got the little locked up patio. Yeah, I haven't seen a single tweaker. A lot can change in 6 years. Seeing the news article, people were saying that there was like a tent city forming in here, and there was like unlimited people doing aggressive panhandling. Probably near the Walmart. Okay, yep, here it is. I guess all that's left to do is a walkthrough of Walmart. Well, this place has like an eerie vibe to it compared to the Buena Park Mall Walmart. Man, I don't know if you can pick it up from the GoPro. Yeah, just a boring Walmart, nothing too crazy. Electronics. Phones. Polaroid style cameras. Ah, here we go. Using a camera to film cameras. Oh, here's interesting. Do they even still sell SanDisk flash drives? Those are the best flash drives ever. Hey, look at these laptops. 600 bucks. Oh, this is just all video games. See the Switch or the... I didn't know they made a controller for the Switch. Alright. Ah, here we go, the BB gun section. So here's what kind of BB guns they got. That one right there is really good, the 880. Pocket knives. Those cameras or whatever that you set up for a deer. They got flashlights. Wait, I'll look these up. I want to get a cheaper flashlight that I can mount on the scooter so I don't have to constantly whip out my good flashlight. Pop-Tarts. Cereal. Huh. Wait, how much do Pop-Tarts go for nowadays? Whoa, that's not that bad, $3.84. Huh. Yeah, $3.84 for that box of Pop-Tarts. And here's the exit. Ah, the Vision Center. Get your glasses. Okay, looks like you're getting somebody to sign. Okay, folks. Yeah, there's not too much going on here. Look. Oh, the cart narc would be on that guy. That's not the designated cart place.
You good?
And there's the petition. Okay, folks, as far as that news broadcast I saw from 6 years ago, this place has been cleared of all tweakers. Lots of security. Maybe a few come around every now and again. But no, there's no tent city. There's no aggressive panhandlers. Pretty interesting. Alright folks, I'm here where Western Street ends at Garden Grove Boulevard. And it looks like they have this big building under construction. That's pretty interesting.